Service Ranger 4.13, step-by-step sum for you. Welcome to diagnostic.com, your trusted partner for professional job diagnostic tools. In this guide, we'll walk you through the full setup process for Service Ranger version 4.13, a reliable and powerful diagnostic solution for Eaton systems. Before starting, make sure your computer runs Windows 10 or Windows 11 and has at least 500 megabytes of free space. Having 1 gigabyte or more will ensure a smooth installation. Then the official installer from diagnostic.com. Then open the setup file. Follow the on-screen instructions. Step by step, agree to the license terms, and let the installer handle the rest. The program will automatically set up the communication drivers and database files needed for full functionality. Once installation is complete, you can launch Service Ranger 4.13 immediately. The interface and database are both in English, making it simple and consistent for global users. Now connect your diagnostic adapter and you're ready to start running system checks and service operations. Your license is valid for 2 full years, giving you uninterrupted access to all diagnostic and update features at diagnostic.com. We provide official Service Ranger 4.13 software with complete installation support and guidance so you can get started quickly and work efficiently. Visit diagnostic.com today to activate your license and experience professional diagnostic performance built for you. Service Ranger 4.13 powered and supplied by diagnostic.com.